Hey everybody, today we're going to be replacing the door handle clip on a Fiat 500. Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the back bracket on the Fiat 500 door handle. These are very common to snap when people pull them the wrong way and stuff like that. I've already done the other one on the other side, and the customer came to me today to look at a problem, and he said, can you fix the other side? And as it was, I ordered one for the other door handle, I lost it, ordered another one, and then I found the original one, so I had it in stock anyway. So it's not too bad of a job to do. It's definitely something that you can do at home. I'm going to go through step by step and show you how to take out the door cards to access the bolt that's inside to do it. Yeah, so let's crack on. Right, so here we have the door card, what we need to take off. This has a little clip bit that comes off from there. There's a bit there that comes off, and then we'll get it off from there. You need a trim clip tool or a screwdriver to get behind. Just get behind this bit here, and then when that do like that, you hear it pop. And you work it round like that. See, it's got four clips that go onto here. 1, 2, 3, 4 around there, and then in here is an Allen key, and then obviously we want to get this little panel off as well behind here in the glove box section. Yeah, just inside here. 2 more Allen keys, and then I think that's not far off from what we need. So we've got a 5mm Allen key. That's the one we need. You can use an Allen key wrench, a socket, an Allen key, you know, from your set, but it's a 5mm, it's the one you want. And we undo all 3 of these. So here's a fact for you. Did you know that 98% of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed? Now what that means is that no one is subscribing and watching the videos. And if I can get more subscribers, then that means I can make more videos. So if you do find this video helpful or anything like that, then just say please do drop a subscribe, or even just a like or a comment in the description and stuff like that. It really does help me work out what's a good video, what's not a good video, you know. And as I say, I'll try and do as many helpful videos as I possibly can. So we'll move on from that. Right, now we need to, there you go, just pick a corner. So I've picked this corner down here by the door, like the outside of the door. Pull it like that, and then what it'll do is it should free it up. There we go. And then when you get to the top, you need to lift it up. Yeah, you need to lift it up, and then you won't be able to pull it all the way off, because inside here, it should just pop out, to be fair. There we go. So it's popped out like that, and then there's a little bracket over here. Yeah, sorry, I know it's not the best from that. And then you can release that, okay? Once that's released, you can move the door card out of the way, somewhere safe. So this is the bit here I was talking to, that was connected onto there. And that's it, and then we have just the door card here. 2 ways of getting this stuff off. You can just punch a hole in it. You can just punch a little hole in it, and then you can sort of see where we have, and then you can sellotape it back over. So that's what I'm going to do with this one. Let's just do that. We'll just take that bit off, and we'll sellotape it back on. Now, I don't know if you can or cannot see. I will make sure you can see. So inside here, you can see that is the 10mm bolt that holds on the bracket. So that's the one that we have to undo. Okay, so it's a 10mm. And what you want to do is probably want to hold from the outside as well, so it doesn't fall down. Take it off, keep it somewhere safe, and then on the outside, pull the handle out. So pull the handle out like you're opening it, and then you can remove the broken half that you have on there. There's half of it, And the other half is to get the handle off. Oh, I can't get the camera in to show you, but inside here, there you'll see a rod, yeah, that's attached to the handle itself, okay? There's a clip bit, like a black clip at the bottom, which you need to separate off. It can be quite stiff. Separate off from the rod, which will then free the cable, which then flows the switch on the bottom. Ah, there we go. Right, so I've done that, and we've freed up that section there, which is excellent. Now the one other thing that you need to do is, in the end of the door, you have this Torx piece in here, okay? You have to undo that bolt because that's the next bit that holds it in. All right, 225. So here's the handle here. So we'll undo this. And what this is going to do is it's going to loosen off the rest of the handle because this is what's holding it in, okay? There it is. And then you've got the handle here, okay? You can see the handle here. And what you need to do is you need to pull the handle this way towards the front of the car, yeah? Because it's on some lugs. And then you need to, what we need to really do is get the handle to a point where we can then see inside here, which I will show you. And inside here, you'll see this is the screw that you need to undo, which is the screw that goes through that point there to put it back together again, okay? So if you can't get that out, as I say, that is a bit tricky because the cable's still attached. So then that's the other broken bit that we've got. And then here's the new one that we have. Now the problem with, so I got this from eBay, the problem with it is that it seems to be that this bit can just fall out and then separate off. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit it with a hammer just on the edge, just to give it a mushroom bit on the top. I've done that, it's just giving it a little bit of a press onto that, and then it's staying in there now. So now we put this back into here. So it goes that way. So the lug bit goes inside backwards, and we screw it back together. We screw it back together until it's tight. And here we go. And we have the new handle bit. So then we need to put this bit back into here again, just like that. And then this bit will go back into there. Right, so there we go. Put that back in like that. And we'll move. There's two things that we need to do. One is put on the 10mm nut on there. And the second one is to put, when you're putting it back in, you have to make sure that the whole metal section of it goes in top and bottom, and then it can slide across. Once you've done that, you can put this one back in and then tighten that back up. And then we'll take 10mm and then do the 10mm up. Take the 10mm. Then we'll put the bracket back on. That's come off, the rod. Snap, there you go, that's on there. And we'll just check it works by clicking in here. So put something in there. There we go. And there you have it. Now we'll put that onto there. As I said, we've got this section here which we can then just, there we go. And then we get the door card. Now remember, we lifted it from the top, so we have to start by placing it down on the top. Before we do that, we've got to put the wire back in, yeah? Put it back into the little retaining clip bit on the top, push the black retainer over, and then you can then put the white section back into its location. You'll see there's places where it needs to locate. Whack it. There we go, beautiful. And we put the bolts back in. This cover, 2 lugs into the bottom, push into the top. This is what I was referring to with the 4 lugs. Slide it up over there, and then we can just push it back into it. And that is how we replace the broken door handle on a Fiat 500. Like I said earlier, if you liked the video and you found it helpful at all, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers guys!